Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Airbnb Struggles. I am your host, Jalil. Okay, it's not really Airbnb Struggles. I'm just being dramatic, but there have been a few things going wrong, so I'm a bit frustrated. But let me show you what we have going on right now. Look at that back tire. See how low it is? We have a tremendous amount of weight in the back of the car. Let me show you what we got going on. All of this is just tiles. This is not even half the amount of tiles that we need for the Airbnb. This is maybe a quarter of it, but I don't have any more room without blocking the view while I'm driving, so I have to go back and make another trip to get the rest of the tiles. So right now I'm gonna have to drop off these tiles at the location, which is west, then go back east to get the remainder of the tiles, and then go back west to drop those tiles off. So yeah, right now Chad's head fits up to where the trunk would open, which is not normal because Chad is not that tall. But you know, we got a little weight going on here, so
little weight, nigga.
Okay, we got a little weight going on. That's it. But we are at the point now where we can finally unload everything. So, made it to the property. Now, this is the hard work. These tiles, look, they look like they're small, like just rectangular boxes, but they are heavy as. These tiles are heavy as. Let's load up these tiles and see what we could do. This is what you call progress. This is what you call progress.
Thirsty and hungry? Nah, not hungry, just thirsty. I need some
Smoothie?
tequila.
I know.
Ah, boy. This is slavery labor, man. This is not the passive income we want.
Take a break.
This ain't the passive income we want. This is not it.
This is how you get passive income, not being active.
I just want the passive income without the active part.
Alright, so we dropped off the first load. Oh, this is my load? Okay, perfect.
What's up?
How's everything, man?
Hey man, sorry about yesterday.
Yeah, it happened. I wish I didn't have to come back, but
I'm sorry.
I know nothing wrong. Alright, done. How's it? You good? Alright, we dropped up the first load. Now we are back at the tile place to get the remainder of the tiles. And this is what we got so far. We've got another load. This is gonna be for the second bathroom. And I don't even know what this is. Oh, I think this is for the shower floors. I don't know what this is. I have no idea. Doing some grout or something like that. Oh yeah, whatever. You gotta feed the workers. You gotta feed the workers, get them some food to make sure that they don't dehydrate and whatnot. So, what we looking like?
This is not the passive income we signed up for. I don't want to do this no more.
How long you been doing this?
All my life.
Okay, all right. So,
all my life. I'm gonna do it like they said on Instagram. Take this $20 I'm about to spend on that food and
don't buy the food. Buy an LLC. You then use the LLC to get business funding. You then leverage the business funding to get real estate. You then sleep in the bathroom so that you can make money and passive income to then go buy my course. Buy my course. My course is officially on sale. Originally, it was the price of $9.99, $9.97. For this day, for the next 17 minutes, I will let you get the course for the low, fantastic price of $8.97. Listen, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Buy this course, and your whole life will change. Your whole life will change. You'll be $8.97 less richer, but you have my course in your email. And this is the best way to go if you want to get passive and active income. There you go. Buy it now. Link in bio. Big black towels for the shower.
yeah,
Outside of that white towel.
white towels.
And then we have wall,
Black.
white.
White.
Yeah.
So
Only black inside there.
only black inside.
I got. Let me see if I got a picture. For you.
And then you transition to white.
Transition to white.
Walls outside.
Yeah.
You
White.
have a design you're working with or something?
This is
Or
me.
you just sleep and you wake up
I
like,
sleep.
oh, yeah.
I wake up and I'm like, ah, this makes sense. This is a good idea. I think we should try this. It only made sense because this bathroom was that much bigger.
Yeah.
For that bathroom, those big tiles, it may look a little bit odd.
Odd, yeah.
So
'Cause
then
it's so small.
it's so small.
Yeah.
It'll be like the living room where it's like you said, if you have a different tile, you're gonna see how small it is. So
Correct.
is it possible? You know, with these tiles, they have the print, right?
Mm-hmm. You wanted to.
Can we? I'll plan it out first if we have to. Just is lay it, and I can see. Cause when you go in and you see the models, and it's like.
I know.
Oh, it's
they
not-
take the time to do that. The reality is,
Okay.
when they sell it to you, you know how many pieces you might have to go through to find that?
But that's why these are so big. Right? So these are so big, so there's not that many options.
Yeah. I know what you're trying to
And it's even. It's 24 by 24.
Yeah, I know, but the lines, the lines, you're talking about the line
lines.
design on it. Okay, so this is one piece style going here, and the lines come like this.
Right.
The next piece that goes here, you want the line to continue.
It doesn't have to be perfect, but not crazy.
Not crazy.
It doesn't have to. It doesn't have to be perfect like this, right? Even if it's like this, like the lines up here, but not the fucked up shit that they be having where it's like.
The line going this way.
Yeah, and then this one go. Yeah, not that.
Yeah. No,
So,
that makes sense.
Not,
That makes sense.
I'm not asking. It doesn't have to be perfect, like you know, nothing crazy, but
That
not
makes
like
sense.
where it's like.
Same direction, right?
Same direction at
Yeah,
least.
not this one going down and the next one going up. And
Yeah, same direction at least.
Yeah.
If it works out where it's like, oh, it's perfect, great. Perfect, but like, nah.
That's
traffic jam.
basic. That's basic. When people are in a rush, they turn it any direction they want to turn it. They don't look at it.
Yeah.
But those styles you have to look and see. You know?
You lay it out and you do it. 12, 4, so 16 for that. You're gonna let me know regarding this floor. You're gonna let me know regarding the rooms. You're gonna let me know regarding what you said, the ceiling. And we have the drain right here.
Yeah, the drain too. So.
Am I missing anything? The only problem is what I was thinking is, because you said we definitely don't have 18. We don't have that. So
You don't have it.
yeah. And there's the floating sink option.
Floating sink, it's smaller.
Yes.
Yeah.
The only problem is there's no cabinet space. So like, I don't know if I will put it out here.
But the twirly one you were getting, they have cabinet space.
Oh, you're right. It doesn't.
So
It doesn't.
same thing. These pipes now the way it is.
Either way, he's gonna have to move this. Either way, from what I understand, right?
Yeah, he's gonna.
No
have
matter
to move.
what.
If it's cabinet sink, this is built for a cabinet.
Right.
An 18-inch cabinet.
But we can't fit an 18-inch cabinet. So what I'm saying, either way, he's gonna have to move it, cause we can't fit an 18-inch cabinet.
Yeah.
So if he can't fit that, and he has to move it, then the next option I would like would be the one I just sent you today, right?
Okay.
With the 3 holes.
Yeah.
So I think that gives plenty of options. Then last is the floating sink. And then the shower's here. Oh, you put this down already? Okay.
No, I didn't secure it. I was putting it there so we can visualize the space
Okay.
that we're gonna have.
Alright, so shower, I'm at the toilet. Yeah, like, and it'll be tight.
Yeah, it'll be tight.
So, cause this is not moving, right?
No.
Right. So, got this. This is a nice shower.
This is fine.
This is fine.
This is fine. That's what I'm worried about.
This is actually great.
Yeah.
This is great. This
That's what I'm worried about.
This is the nice size right here. Like, I wouldn't want it smaller than that.
These walls were done with 1/2-inch sheetrock.
Bathroom walls?
Yeah, these walls. If you feel the space, it's only 1/2 inch.
Oh shit.
So the next option would be to take the frame out and put the 5/8.
Well, I prefer the 5/8 for a bathroom. Gotta do what I gotta do.
Yep. This is what happens. Every time you start a project, this is what happens.
I told you I don't like renovations, right?
Yeah. You start a project with a budget of 20 grand, trust me, by the time it's done, you probably go up to 30 grand.
I hate
It's
it.
always like that.
Because even if I know I'm a budget and I'm gonna say I'm doing a renovation, I wanna do the tiles over. Well, I say like, yo, probably gotta level the floor, right? So that way I know ahead of time. Cause usually you may say, I wanna tile the floor. And then the contractor could be like, oh, the floor's not even level. And then you would get prepared for it. So I try to think ahead of time. But no matter what, every single time, there's always something else. Every time.
This all these buildings are.
Every time, man. Bro. Alright, so it sounds like I'm gonna be over budget. I try to plan for the worst. I really try to plan for the worst and say, I'm gonna spend this much money, this is my budget, but just in case things go wrong, here's a little extra I'm keeping aside for when things go wrong. And guess what? They take the extra and then they take another mile. And now I'm way over budget. Budget blown completely. So, I do not like renovations. Not at all. I think this is gonna be the last renovation. No, it's not. I'm lying to myself. I got one more after this and then I'm pretty much done. I think I'm done for the year. So we're back in the Airbnb unit, soon to be Airbnb unit. Right now we're still doing the renovation. I dropped off all the materials. Where are we at right now with it? I don't know where to start with. Let's check out the bathroom, right? Last time we saw the bathroom. Oh, this light doesn't work. Oh, yeah. Anyways, who needs light?
The people watching?
Last time we was in the bathroom, we could see straight into the basement. Now, we got a little floor, we got some plumbing. The main issue right now is we don't want to make it too tight, and basically, the vanity has to become a little bit smaller. But, you know, your boy's creative, right? We're not just gonna settle for no cheapo, I don't want to say the brand. We're not just gonna settle for no regular old vanity. We're gonna get a nice vanity, even though it has to be smaller than 18 inches, and we're gonna put it there. Cool. All these wires that you see in the ceiling, here. Kids don't do this at home, they're touching wires here, right? And all throughout the living room, we got these new wires, and that's because we just ran all new electrical throughout the entire first floor, not just apartment, throughout the entire first floor. So we know that the electrical is going to be up to A1, all up to code, and because we have a lot of things operating, right? For example, we got a washer dryer, because if this is an Airbnb unit where they're staying for, I don't know, 3 to 6 months, they need to wash their clothes. They shouldn't have to leave the site to wash their clothes, so put a washer and dryer. That being said, the washer and dryer need to operate on its own, you know, breaker. So wash and dryer, the fridge, the stove, AC units, a lot going on. You need new electrical for that. At least that's what I'm told. Another bathroom right here. This bathroom's on fire, by the way. Shower, this bathroom's pretty big. Spreads from the length of here, all the way down to here. It's just a bathroom. Oh, but here, let me show you all the tiles that we got. All the good materials. We got 28 boxes of tiles for the floor, the kitchen floor. We got, look, you see how big this is? Look at this. Look at this. It's almost wider than me. 24 by 24 tiles for the bathroom. You've seen those big tiles inside somebody's bathroom? Well, I'm about to have that in my bathroom. This Airbnb is gonna be fire. And you know what? I can't even give you a sneak peek. What's the? Can I show you? Let me show you. Oh, okay, wrong one. Let me show you the next one. Okay, wrong one. Let me show you the next one. Okay, they're too heavy. You'll see it later. You'll see it later. But just trust me, it's gonna look fire. What else we got? There's a couch under here somewhere, right? New couch. There's a mattress. This is a really big mirror. There's just a lot going on in here. We got towels for the bathroom right there. We got towels all over, man. We got towels all over. What else we got? What we doing? I still think that I can be done in the next, I don't know,
3 weeks?
3 weeks? Yeah. I think I'll be done in the next 3 weeks. Most of the plumbing is already done. It's just the framing. And then I gotta start ordering furniture, right? Because I want, as soon as this place is done, couch, TV, picture frames, mattresses, bed frames, nightstands, all that good stuff should be here so that I'm not losing additional time and I could put up for rent, and then I could recoup some of this money that I'm spending. A lot of this money that I'm spending, actually.
All of it.
All of it's money that I'm spending, because I'm spending a lot of money over budget. So I think that's it. We're gonna wrap up here. And if there's anything that I have learned from any of the renovations that I've done, Chad, why's your hand shaking? If there's anything that I've learned,
this camera's heavy,
is that you have to plan accordingly. If you plan for the future, then you're more likely to be successful. And that's not just like, you know, cliche. Just think about all the little things that could come up and try to account for it. That way you could go smoothly through the process. So that's my advice to whatever you're doing, whether that's business, relationships, all that good stuff. But don't plan so much where you don't take any action. Just go for it. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Thank you.
Please subscribe so you get
Actually,
the camera.
Please subscribe, because
We get a Sony.
I need to take my daughter to college. I need to pay for this renovation. So the likes, the subscribes, all of it, it would mean the world to me. Please, please, please. But otherwise, thank you for watching.
Do it for the cameraman.